Alright folks, so welcome back again. So I was saying of what is the beauty about Hassan Road, right? Hassan Road was pretty much not aware for many people because most of the outgoing or getaway places was Mysore. When that road got constructed, people started using this road because when you reach Belur Cross, right, you can always take a deviation towards the left where you can actually go towards Mysore, right, towards Pandapura, that stretch. This road is beautiful because of many reasons for people who drive or ride, right? Why I'm saying that, it will definitely check your potential as a rider because it is not like Hyderabad roads where you just have straight lines. Car, it is much easier because you'll be cruising at a speed, you can always continue doing it. But in motorcycles, what happens is you need to do up and down, you need to move, you need to hold the clutch, you need to brake, and that is most important for a rider to learn, right? Because I was so getting comfortable about the airport road, which is an exit towards my place, because you would have already seen so many times me riding in that stretch, right? But how often you would have seen me coming in Hassan Road. But now I've started to come because one, I thoroughly enjoy keeping a super sport and riding it in Hassan Road. You need to get it to a road where you have twisties. And of course you can't take it till Mangalore because that is another ball game altogether. You saw me bending right. That's the beauty of having or riding it in this particular place. So that's the best place, right? You get that? The difference? I'm getting goosebumps actually when I speak about it. But trust me, when you have to improve your motorcycling or riding skills, you definitely have to come to places like this because it will definitely test your potential as an individual. And also, it's okay you make mistakes, but you will learn out of it. But be very careful with these sort of motorcycle. Smallest of the mistakes can spare your life, and when you're actually back to back, be even more sensible about it. But I would recommend to wear proper set of riding gears, and obviously as an individual you always know your limits, right? It doesn't matter which motorcycle you ride, just respect the machine and always enjoy it. So learning, this is the roads that you need to learn as a motorcyclist, and you will have a lot of fun learning it. Because let's say for example, if I have to turn like this, I need to plan before itself, right? I cannot just go brake and then turn like this. You're gonna make a mistake or a big mistake, or even it's gonna be a mess up as well, right? So that's something which I love about Hassan roads. But that's pretty much, folks. I am not giving any gyan, or I'm not any sort of philanthropist or a philosopher to talk about these things, but it will help you, trust me. And like I was saying, Hassan road was not just open for many people. Thanks to YouTubing, thanks to motorcycling, vloggers, everyone, people have given so much information about this road. Every single damn information is there. So that's the best part. See, there's a deviation for Ramnagar, like I said, which is in between Mysore-Bangalore road. And I think if that opens, I think the traffic will come down here. Last weekend when I came, the traffic was so high because, for obvious reasons, right, it was a long weekend. I did not realize that March 1st was Shivratri, so there's so much of traffic like you saw in the previous vlog. But that's the whole scenes. So Enjoy your riding, ride safe, and this is the road that is going to test your potential of a rider, right? Not too much of guard section, but definitely intermediate will definitely have fun over here, right? With that, stay tuned. I'm gonna talk a bit about the race suit that I got. Stay tuned, yeah? I'm gonna get an amazing mileage today. The fidget is on.